Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok username. So if you are new user and you don't know how to change your username, you can also change your username. If you don't know, let me tell you that you can easily change your name. First of all, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Now go to your YouTube and see on profile. Go to your profile. After that, here you see your username and now you wanted to change it. Let me tell you how you can easily change with only one step. So let's start the video. Now you have to go on edit profile. After going on edit profile, there is two option, name and username. If you want to change name or if you want to change username, you can change both, but they have policies. You can change your username 14 days in one time, and nickname you can change in 1 week one time. So this is the rules. Now you have to go to change name. After going to change name, here you have to select name of your, like, whatever you want to change your name. Now it's a practice video, so I'm like normal name, so I'm writing A here. After writing A here, now let's save the video. Now you have to press on save. After pressing on save, here is a new option on screen appear. Like, you have to see that you can't change your name every 5-7 days. Like, it's a rule that you can only change your name once in a week. So you have to remember that, and after choosing a name, because you can't change in 7 days. After 7 days you can change. So if you are satisfied with the username, new username, you have to just press on confirm. After pressing on confirm, now you can see I press a like name and now my name is changed. So this is a matter how you can change your name of your TikTok account. So hope so friend you like this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Stay tuned with me for more videos.